Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be talking about the file formats in SolidWorks. So there are three types of documents you can create in SolidWorks. So if I click on the new up here, we have a part file, an assembly, and a drawing. These are the three types of documents you can create in SolidWorks. And I'll close that. On my screen, this is an example of a part file. A part file has an extension of SLDPRT, and that stands for solid part. And the next is an assembly. An assembly has an extension of SLDASM, and that stands for solid assembly. And what an assembly is just a part that has multiple components in it. So when we look at this valve, we have our body, the bonnet, the bolts, the rivet, and the nameplate. So there are multiple components in this one part. So that's what makes it as an assembly. And the next one is a drawing. And a drawing has a file extension of SLDDRW. And these are the three documents you can create in SolidWorks: a part file, an assembly file, and a drawing file. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.